Patriot Owner's Manual. 2008. 2008 Patriot. Vehicles sold in Canada. With respect to any vehicles sold in Canada, the name Chrysler LLC shall be deemed to be deleted and the name Chrysler Canada Incorporated used in substitution therefor. Driving and alcohol. Drunken driving is one of the most frequent causes of accidents. Your driving ability can be seriously impaired with blood alcohol levels far below the legal minimum. If you are drinking, don't drive. Ride with a designated non-drinking driver, call a cab, a friend, or use public transportation. Warning: driving after drinking can lead to an accident. Your perceptions are less sharp, your reflexes are slower, and your judgment is impaired when you have been drinking. Never drink and then drive. This manual illustrates and describes the operation of features and equipment that are either standard or optional on this vehicle. This manual may also include a description of features and equipment that are no longer available or were not ordered on this vehicle. Please disregard any features and equipment described in this manual that are not on this vehicle. Chrysler LLC reserves the right to make changes in design and specifications, and/or make additions to or improvements to its products without imposing any obligation upon itself to install them on products previously manufactured. Copyright 2007 Chrysler LLC. Section Table of Contents page 1 Introduction 3. 2 Things to know before starting your vehicle. Point 9. 3 Understanding the features of your vehicle. Point 73. 4 Understanding your instrument panel. 167. 5 Starting and operating. 235. 6 What to do in emergencies. Point 331. 7 Maintaining your vehicle. 345. 8 Maintenance schedules. 399. 9 If you need consumer assistance. Point 407. 10 Index. 417. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ostrazizani, Strona bez zawardisai. Introduction. Contents. Introduction. 4. Rollover warning. 4. How to use this manual. 5. Warnings and cautions. 7. Vehicle identification number. 7. Vehicle modifications/alterations. 8. 1. Introduction. This owner's manual has been prepared with the assistance of service and engineering specialists to acquaint you with the operation and maintenance of your vehicle. It is supplemented by a warranty information booklet and various customer-oriented documents. You are urged to read these publications carefully. Following the instructions and recommendations in this manual will help assure safe and enjoyable operation of your vehicle. Note: after you read the manual, it should be stored in the vehicle for convenient reference and remain with the vehicle when sold, so that the new owner will be aware of all safety warnings. When it comes to service, remember that your authorized dealer knows your vehicle best, has the factory trained technicians and genuine MOPA parts, and is interested in your satisfaction. Rollover warning. Utility vehicles have a significantly higher rollover rate than other types of vehicles. This vehicle has a higher ground clearance and a higher center of gravity than many passenger cars. It is capable of performing better in a wide variety of off-road applications. Driven in an unsafe manner, all vehicles can go out of control. Because of the higher center of gravity, if this vehicle is out of Control it may roll over when some other vehicles may not. Do not attempt sharp turns, abrupt maneuvers, or other unsafe driving actions that can cause loss of vehicle control. Failure to operate this vehicle safely may result in an accident, rollover of the vehicle, and severe or fatal injury. Drive carefully. For introduction, failure to use driver and passenger seat belts provided is a major cause of severe or fatal injury. In fact, the U.S. government notes that the universal use of existing seat belts could cut the highway death toll by 10,000 or more each year and could reduce disabling injuries by 2 million annually. In a rollover crash, an unbelted person is significantly more likely to die than a person wearing a seat belt. Always buckle up. How to use this manual? Consult the table of contents to determine which section contains the information you desire. The detailed index at the back of this owner's manual contains a complete listing of all subjects. Consult the following table for a description of the symbols that may be used on your vehicle or throughout this owner's manual. Rollover warning label. Introduction.